Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we are taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 GLC 300 4MATIC. This one is a cell night gray. Under the hood is a 2.0 inline 4-cylinder pushing out 255 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one comes with 5-spoke 18-inch alloy wheels. Tires are in good condition. We've got a black MB text interior, panorama sunroof. Come around back here. We've got a trailer hitch, GLC 300 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, fresh set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, a privacy cover, this one also has heated rear seats, brushed aluminum trim, plenty of space in back here. Also comes equipped with the Premium 1 package, which comes with keyless go, blind spot assist, heated seats, power windows, heated steering wheel, controls, paddle shifters for extra performance. Go ahead and start it up. Rear backup camera, dual climate controls, our command center keys. This vehicle has a clean Carfax and all service records available, and it only has 41,075 miles. If you'd like to view more photos, check out feldmanimports.com.